come out for a minute?
What'd you say?
Can you answer your door?
I don't know what you're saying. What are you saying?
Can you answer your door?
Do you need help with something?
Can you answer your door, babe?
No, it's a pandemic right now.
Oh, well, I am really offended that you yelled at my kids for being in your fucking yard. I don't appreciate that.
Hold on.
You are a fucking moron.
Hold on, because I haven't even been outside to see your kids. But hold on, 1 second. Let me get a mask on, and I'll be there.
Answer the door.
Hold on. No, stay in there. Give me a second. No, I'm going to do it. Babe, give me a mask. Go. I haven't even seen that kid. Give me 1 second. I'll be at the door. Let me put on my mask.
Come on, girl. Open the door. You yell at kids for playing in your fucking yard?
Are you kidding me? I never even talked to your kids. I haven't even been outside because it's a pandemic. But you're supposed to, and you feel so empowered. Your kid is telling a blatant lie. But give me a second.
That's it. Mommy, open the goddamn door.
Hold on. Yeah. Give me that. Give me that.
Digger.
Oh, you heard what she did. Oh, you felt so empowered.